sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, we will first hear from Team Mirudbashmi a solution for the problem, the money laundering problem that is being invested with the candidate Dilip. So, very quickly, you don't have much time, you only have 3 minutes for solution, or to the major extent 4 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Mirudbashni akka.
Mirudbashni, if you are speaking, we are not.
Balaji is speaking.
Balaji,
No, sir,
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Timer reset, you start now. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes, sir. So good evening, everyone. So now I'm going to start with my solution, and my solution is that Dilip has already informed that there is some illegal things are going, and he informed to his manager, and his manager does not accept it. So now the mistake has happened, and he is going. Now we are in a technological era, so we are using the technology, and we are finding out the proof that he did not do this, and now he is proving after through that he is proving that he is very innocent. He does not do this crime. Continued by Balaji Anna.
so the solution was that I will tell to my bank manager that I did not do this part. So this is must be the customer's work. So other officers must be have their blame, but they're blaming towards me. So kindly divert the attention towards the other members instead of me. So I will honestly ask the bank manager to divert his blame towards the other bank officers in the bank. Continued by Mitra.
So good evening, one and all present here. So we are actually communicating through one of the gadgets we have brought to this jungle, and from here we as a group of friends are communicating directly with the manager of the bank where Dilip is working. So we would actually mention one scenario that happened like 5 months ago. So actually Dilip, before joining this bank, he has written some examinations and he has applied to become an investigator or journalist. Okay, sir. Group 2 examinations, and he has applied to become an investigator, but unfortunately due to some unforeseen circumstances he wasn't able to become so. So he's had that talent in himself, and now he's like 5 months ago he tried to incorporate them, and he found some of the illegal activities committed by the corrupt officials of his bank, and he submitted it as an evidence file to his manager, but the manager unfortunately pretended as if he has accepted that file, but he did not take any actions towards those people, and he did not even bother to touch that or go through that file. But Dilip did not care about that, and he always he was noble towards his job, and he was loyal towards his manager even till now. So there is no chance that he could plunder that 55 lakhs of amount, and blame cannot be posed on him. And also we are using this gadget, we could prove to the manager that we for the past 1 or 2 days we have been staying in the jungle, and there can't be any chance that we could Dilip could plunder that money. So this is my part of solution, and next I would like to ask Kavitaka to go on.
So now I'm going to share my point of solution for Dilip's problem. The bank where Dilip is working is one of the highly influential bank in India, and people of
various stages have come across this. There has been an article written by a famous author, both in a positive and a negative manner, where he have mentioned that one of the employee, that is Dilip is being cornered every time, and he in an interview also confessed that he is the only person who is being suspected in whatever problem that happens. That is because of his co-mates who want Dilip to be always in a problem. We could show that article and interview to the bank manager and make him understand. And the second one is to allow transparency. Dilip 55 lakhs is a high amount, and Dilip can show all his bank accounts and all his investments plans, everything to the government, so that he can prove himself as an innocent. Over to Brinda.
So here I am not talking about as a friend of Dilip. So here I'm talking like I was also a customer of Dilip, because when I started my business, I actually got loan from his bank. So with that experience, he's very hardworking person, and also he's very loyal to his job, what he's doing. So he was really a very good person. So I will actually tell that he cannot misuse any money. That too 55 lakhs, it was very big money. He will not do it, and he's a very person with great knowledge too. And as Mitra said, past 4 to 5 days we are in the jungle, and he would not misuse any money, and he has no link and connection with bank for past three or 4 days. We are stuck in jungle and we are seeking for help. So as we are in the technological era, so we can prove to bank that with our facilities available, we can prove to bank that we are in the jungle, and we can prove his innocent. And continued by Priya.
I'm sorry, time.
Sir, is there any grace time for us, sir?
How much time do you want?
One
Several
minute or
minutes or
2
2
minutes?
minutes.
Right, Priya, Priya, can go.
Yes, sir. So actually, there is a colleague of Dilip who needed a medical emergency for his mother of the amount 55 lakhs, so that he was the one who took 55 lakhs, and that was found out in the CCTV camera, and and they apologized to Dilip for the blame that was wrong then that was put on him, and that is a part of our celebration, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the great time, sir.
Yes, 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Rakshit, yes.
Sir, like Ashwathaman also shared his idea, sir. For first 2.5 minutes, he was only speaking, sir.
Then why is he coming and blabbering that he's not given time, Rakshit?
Sir, that's what, sir. I don't know why, like, he's
Sir, I
saying.
did not share my idea, sir. I just asked for some help, sir. But my voice was not audible, sir. So only time ran out, sir.
Team Anas, you can start your presentation. Your time starts now.
Yes, sir. One thing, sir, before we go to the presentation, it's like a preface, sir. Like we have a communication station in our rocket, sir, which is not damaged. And using that, we are recording a video and we are sending it to our higher officials. Sir. It's going to be in that format, sir.
Yeah. So all you have is about 5 to 6 minutes only for your whole solution providing.
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1, go.
So good evening, higher officials who are watching this. We're all here. We are safe and sound. There's nothing wrong has happened with us. Only a small part of the rocket is now injured and damaged. And I'll ask my friend Dharmesh to continue. Dharmesh Abhimanyu, please.
Sir, yes, sir. The higher officials over there, like the problem is the fuel tank is damaged, and a huge part of rocket is missing, and we still didn't find out where it was deployed, and the fuel tank would be fixed within a time span or half an hour with my help with the help of the rocket assistant. Mr. Kannan, and we would report to you as soon as possible. Sir. Over to Farooq.
Yes, so thank you, Mr. Kannan, and it's Farooq speaking. Now, I think that Suresh Babu also has something to say. Mr. Suresh, do you want to say something to our higher officials?
Sir, I'd like to say that our during the blast out, actually the ship has gone wrong, and we are trapped in a forest. We might need some help. I think so.
Thank you, sir. And actually, we are here because we wanted to test one of our rockets. And unfortunately, as Mr. Abhimanyu mentioned, the fuel tank went wrong. So that's the only problem. But we are definitely sure that, sir, we'll be able to fix it because we have our rocket expert, Mr. Kannan, here. Kannan already has some rocket equipments which are ready and which could be used to even fortify the rocket. So we won't have any problem. So we don't have any communication problem as well because the communication station is very safe. So that's why we are able to contact you, sir. It's only a very minor problem, and we are very sure that we are going to overcome it. And it's not going to take long. We'll be back from the forest in the next, couple of hours because we are stuck here. But definitely, communication is not going to be a problem anymore. And we really hope that we'll be able to fix the rocket as soon as possible. Mr. Kannan is working on it. Mr. Kannan, do you want to say something? Sibi? Okay,
So,
so
sir, I guess Mr. C.B. Kannan have
yeah,
found what was the problem, and he'll report to you in within a minute.
yeah, okay. Mohammad Azad, sir, please come over here and speak to our higher officials.
Sir, because of one technical problem in fuel tank, uh, the the rocket was in repair. The designer Kannan is repairing that. We would communicate through satellite phones and cameras because we are in a jungle, so that we can't use cell phones. So that we are trying to take the rocket almost to the good condition. All the astronauts, designer, anybody did not get any problems. They are very safe. Only some severe, not severe, very less problems in rocket. Kannan, the designer is checking what is the problem, and we got, because of fuel tank one small leakage. We are clearing that. We are the after few minutes the rocket will be ready to launch. Thank you.
Yes, sir, and it's Farooq, and I'm going to conclude. So what happened is actually Mr. Kannan is in the other communication part of this particular rocket. So obviously, I think there's some error in his communication room. So that's why he is not able to speak right now. So I would like to conclude whatever we said. As my friend Abhimanyu mentioned, there's a problem only in on the fuel tank. So Mr. Kannan is working on it. Other than that, there is nothing wrong in this particular rocket. We are very sure that we'll be able to repair it within time. And higher officials, this is like we could even you could see as there's not much problem around us. So we think we'll be able to solve it. And as Abhimanyu sir said, we'll be able to do it in the next half an hour because fuel tank is not much a problem. And definitely our test our test launch has failed, but definitely we've got some other rocket parts as well, and we'll start a new test as soon as possible. And Kannan sir is again working on that. So sorry that we could not connect him with you because there's a problem in his room. And apart from that, these were some of our solutions. So thank you, sir, and I would like to end the video.
So before we could end
Right.
up, I'd like to say something that if you are ever looking for us, we are in the southern part. So thank you.
Right. So time, and they have finished in 6 minutes.
Well done, team.
Well done, team Anas.
Well done, team Anas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you, friends.
Okay, so now I'll give the score after the physical activity, and you sit over here, and now the காமிக்கிறது correct ஆ monitor தான் பாருங்க. So as you could see, I have set a target over there on the chair, and for Team Anas, it is a technical problem. For Team Balaji, it is an integrity problem of a professional. So now Team Anas will be given 3 shots, 3 bullet shots. So their pistol has to be activated, and the shooter will stand over here, that is somewhere near the awards table, and the person has to aim and shoot. So you people can choose the robot. Right now, Mitra is not belonging to Team Mirdubashni. She is robot 1.0, and me, Manigandan Sundaresan, is robot 2.0. So which robot you are choosing is your choice. So each team has got 3 shots. You can very well go for choosing the one robot for 1 shot. That is, it doesn't necessarily mean that both the robots have to be used, and vice versa. It doesn't necessarily mean that only one robot has to be used. So you hit on the cup, you will be given 1 mark, a distinctive mark. You hit on the target, you are given a distinctive mark. You hit on the chair, anywhere else, you don't get any mark. So you can decide. So 2 out of 3 will be considered as solution full execution. 2 out of 3. That is 2 on target out of 3. Okay. So you choose 3, 1 on the cup, 1 on the target, and the third one doesn't hit anything. Then it's a different score.
That full cover ஆகுது சார். So இப்போ வந்து அயன் பாக்ஸ் வரைக்கும் அங்க கவர் ஆகுது சார். இங்க வந்து half door வரைக்கும் கவர் ஆகுது. அதை தான் crop பண்ணி ஏதாவது பேக்ரவுண்ட் செட்டிங்ஸ்
Zoom பண்ண முடியும். இந்த கேமரால 360 degree camera zoom பண்ணலாம். So any questions everybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. So we will give you the chance to I'll give a demonstration. Kalpita, do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So Kalpita, I'm going to stand over here, and you will be able to see the gun. நீ அங்கே இரு. Kalpita, gun தெரியுதா கேமரால?
Yes, sir.
gun தெரியல அப்படிங்கும்போது எனக்கு சொல்லு, நான் பின்னாடி போறேன்.
Okay, sir.
gun இப்போ தெரியுதா?
Sir, yes, sir.
சரி. So this is the radius. Everybody, this is the radius. So Kalpita, or a demonstration, you are seeing the target and you are seeing the robot holding the gun. Now you can give me the command to shoot the gun. So now bullet போட்டுட்டேன், load பண்ணிட்டேன். Now I am waiting for your instruction so that your team will gather hitting.
சார் இப்போ நம்ம வந்து ட்ரைபாட் எங்க வெச்சிட்டோம்னா சார் அப்பதான் உங்க ரிஸ்ட் மூவ்மென்ட் வந்து நமக்கு தெரியும் சார்.
சரி ஓகே.
இப்போ வந்து உங்களோட கை மட்டும் தான் சார் தெரியும். உங்களோட கன் மட்டும் தான் சார் தெரியும்.
சரி அப்ப அதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி நீ என்ன பார்த்து அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணு.
சரி இப்போ நீங்க அந்த பொசிஷன்ல நில்லுங்க சார். ஓகே சார். இப்ப நீங்க நின்ன பொசிஷன்ல நான் இப்படி கை காமிச்சு நிக்கிறேன் சார். இப்ப நீங்க கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கா நீங்க வந்து
இல்ல viewers point of view உனக்கு இங்க வேற மாதிரி தெரியும் அவங்களுக்கு வேற மாதிரி அதனால கல்பிதா சொல்லுங்க.
Okay sir.
So okay, good suggestion. Yes Kalpita, you can give me the command now.
Okay, sir. Sir, 10 centimeters towards your left, sir.
Towards my left, okay, right.
Can you raise your heels, sir?
Raise my wrist or raise my elbow? I mean raise my total arm.
Heels, sir. Foot, sir.
Heels, okay, right. Okay.
20 degree down, sir.
You mean my arm or the total body?
Arm, sir.
Okay, is it fine?
Yes, sir. Can you shoot
Shall I
now,
shoot?
sir? Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay, I'm shooting as per your instruction. Beautiful Kalpita, good job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mitra.
Well done, Kalpita.
So this is how the game is going to be played. So what Kalpita did was a demonstration, and now you can choose. ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு பாயிண்ட் என்னன்னு சொல்லி கேட்டீங்கன்னா, you people have to choose the proper commander. Commander. When I say commander, what I mean is the commander has to be proper. Like Kalpita was very precise in giving the command. So commander யாரும் help பண்ண முடியாது.
ஒரே ஒருத்தர் தான்
வந்து நீங்க உங்களுக்குள்ள பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணி கொடுத்துக்கலாம். Yourself and you can use the command. But if you're confusing the robot, then I'll give minus.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, 3 bullets. It is the turn of. Now, how do you want? Let me talk to the leaders, Anas and Mridubashni. 1 bullet by team Anas, 1 bullet by Mridubashni, 1 bullet by team Anas. And the tennis match concept. All 3 at once, all 3 at once. How do you want?
So alternative basis, sir. One team first
Sir,
by turn, sir, and then Anas team like that, sir.
There's a 1 by 1, sir. Their team one, sir. Our team one, sir. Like this.
That's even more interesting and that will sound good. Okay, right. So, now, team Mridubashni, choose the robot 1.0 or 2.0 for this mission.
So friends, can we choose Mitra for first shot?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, ka.
Friends, you can be the commander,
Balajan, or you should be the commander, Kalpita, because you did very well in that demonstration. So you can go.
Okay, ka. Are everyone okay with this, friends?
Yes.
Okay, Kalpita.
Yes, Kalpita.
Yes, Kalpita.
Okay, thank you.
Everybody, the cup and the target have been moved a little forward. It is on the front liner corner of the chair. So,
Okay, sir.
robot, you are the robot and you are not the team player of team Mridubashni. Come.
All the best, Mitra.
Thank you.
All the best, Mitra.
Thank you, ka.
Gun loaded.
All the best, Mitra.
Thank you, ka.
One second please for a better view. நான் கொஞ்சம் quit பண்ணிட்டு மறுபடியும் join பண்றேன். ஏன்னா எனக்கு full screen வேணும்.